How to convert Amazon gift card to cash. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to convert Amazon gift card to your cash. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the application Amazon with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom left corner. Okay, so from this profile section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like gift card section. So you have to just come on the section gift card balance, and from here you can know your gift card balance, and from this section you can go these two options like you can redeem gift card and you can reload your gift card balance from here. So by tapping on this gift card section, you can easily claim a gift card to your Amazon account, and on the another hand, reload balance, you can manually add your credit card or debit card to get the gift card on Amazon. So there is no any such methods like you can convert your Amazon gift card to your cash. So you have to just buy the items, or you can also resell that products on Amazon. So this is the only one alternative method to use your gift card on Amazon. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.